All right, guys, we got quite a few things to talk about, not just these secret cards that are being hidden. We got a whole hacker situation going on with the leaderboard. Like, look at this. The new update isn't even out yet, and people are at like 4 trillion quintillion XP just farming out the premium pass that we have going on. And not just that, also the previous prices of the cards that are now going for different currency, like the M2 going for real cash when it used to be for game cash and stuff like that. There was a previous version before this one where you could actually buy the M2, and I made sure to make a recording of it and make note of it. But yeah, straight to business. What are these secret cards that are hiding in the game files? First of all, I want to give credit to the Cookies. The Cookies is one of those creators that make mods for the game, the vehicle mods. He makes some crazy vehicle mods a lot of the time. So shout out to him for finding these and digging in the game files and getting these cars. The first car I think was a 1930 Hudson Super Sedan, Super 6, or whatever the name is. It's either that or a 1932 Chevy. I think that's what I saw when I looked it up. The Mustang now that looks similar to a Mustang that's already in the game, but this one is the, I think, 1965 Shelby GT 350. Yeah, I'm definitely not reading off of paper. I'm just trying to remember the name that I saw. And the last one I think was the W124. That's coming to CPM1. It's already in CPM2, so not a surprise car. But yeah, it's crazy to know that the developers have these cars snooping around in the game files. I guess they're slowly like working on them and stuff, testing them in their own way before releasing them to the public. But the Cookies went digging in there and he found them. I'm not sure who asked for those cars, especially that old car. It's still pretty sick, like having a car from 1930 in the game, but I'm not sure if that's the highest suggestion that people want. I think there are other cars that people love to be added, but hey, we can't be the judges. They're the ones adding the cars into their game. They are the developers. They have the choice of what they want to put in their game for the most part of it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about those cars. The next thing I have an issue with right here is the hacking situation. Like, come on, bro. It's taking. I'd be doing giveaways of the Ford and stuff, but it'd be taking like I'd be giving up my own cars some of the time to trade for them, and then you just got these hackers that just speed run it. I'm guessing that they use a lot of accounts and stuff like that, and they just speed run it and hack through it and get the Ford and the Fortuner quick and fast, and they stockpile on them. Meanwhile, I'm just sitting here at 2075. I barely grinded. I've just purely been doing trades, giving up some of my cars to do giveaways and stuff like that. So it's just sad to see it's going out like that. Developers still have a fight to do against hackers. It's always going to be a problem with hackers in this game. But yeah, let me get straight to the other thing now, which is the previous prices of the cars. I'm going to show a recording in the meantime too. So this is on the first version of the beta. And imagine if you could have grabbed the cars for this price instead of having to get them for real money. If you spent real money already, you're probably gonna be mad because you could have gotten it for the real game cash if you were just in time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about all of that stuff going on. It's pretty crazy. CPM1 drama as always. Nothing new. Always got some new bugs for new updates. And hackers going crazy again in every area. But yeah, thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Stay safe.